Hey guys, today I'm going to cook a pork tenderloin in the oven. So let's get toasting. I have a little pork tenderloin here, and these are kind of expensive. This was $6.99 a pound, and it was 1.22 pounds, so $8.53 for that little piece of pork. But anyway, I seasoned it last night with just some kosher salt and some of this Lowry's seasoned pepper. I usually use Johnny's, but I haven't been able to find it lately. So I kind of like seasoning the meat the night before when I think about it, just because I think the salt and the seasonings kind of penetrate into it better and just gives it a little more flavor. But you can do it right before if you want to. It's not that big of a deal. Okay, I put a little bit of avocado oil in my 10-inch cast iron skillet here. I got this at Walmart. Fits right in my toaster oven. So just kind of spin that around and get a little oil on the bottom of that so it doesn't stick to the pan. And now we'll get that into the oven. I am going to use the broil setting for this, so I have it turned all the way up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. That's as high as it goes. I have the rack up as high as it'll go, so it'll be close to that top heating element. And we'll get this in there. And after the top side cooks for a little bit, I'll pull it out and turn it over. It's been 13 minutes, so let's take a look at this here. A little smoke coming out. Well, that looks nice. I'm going to turn it over. All right, we'll let it cook on that side for a few minutes, and then we'll get it out of there. I want the internal temperature to be 145 degrees minimum, so I think it's almost done. It's been on that side for about 5 minutes. I'm going to pull it out and check it, check the internal temperature. Looks pretty good. It wasn't quite done, so I had to put it back in for just a little bit longer. Let's see where we're at now. 155 right there. 156 right there. So we're right where we need to be. We're good. I'll let this rest for a few minutes. Has a pretty nice color on the outside. But let's see what the inside looks like. I hear Annie dancing around down there. Well, that looks nice. Look how nice and juicy that looks. Let's slice off a piece. Heck yeah, that looks real good. Try a bite. Wow, that's really good. Really tender, really juicy, good flavor. Really turned out really good. I guess we better see what Annie, the taste test dog, thinks. What do you think, Annie? You want to try it? Jeez, take my finger off. I guess she liked that. She inhaled that. Those can get dry if you overcook them because they're pretty lean, but that one was really juicy. And I ended up cooking it for 13 minutes on each side. And that was about right for that piece of meat, but it'll probably vary according to your piece of meat, how big it is, and your oven. But like I said, you don't have to season the meat the night before, but I think when you do that, the salt penetrates into it more, and it's kind of like a dry brine. And I think it just makes it juicier and gives it more flavor that way. Anyway, thanks for watching. Talk to you guys next time.